How to buy premium on Spotify. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'll simply show you how you can buy the premium version on Spotify. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to buy Spotify premium, what you need to do is to first of all just go ahead and launch the Spotify application on your phone. Once you launch the Spotify app, you will most likely see this kind of interface, and what you want to do is you simply want to come to the premium tab from the bottom right. Now if you're on iPhone, you will see the premium tab, but under premium you will not see this button that says get premium, because iPhones does not support in-app web browsing. So for iPhone users, if you're using on iPhone and watching this video, you can go to Safari and go to spotify.com, log into your account and try to subscribe it in that way. Once you come to this page, again just tap on the option called get premium, and you'll be able to see a list of features that the premium version also offers. Once you go to Spotify premium, here you can choose PayPal or credit or debit card. Once you choose your PayPal or credit or debit card, what you want to do is simply actually choose whether or not you have any of these payment methods, but I'm assuming most of you are going to go with credit or debit card. And once you've done that, choose your card number and then enter your expiration date as well, and also enter your CVC or your CVV number, which is sometimes 3 letters and in most cases sometimes also 4 letters as well. Once you do that, just scroll down and choose the option called buy now, and you'd have successfully bought Spotify premium. That's all it takes to buy Spotify premium. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.